Assalamualaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. This tutorial is about this beautiful keychain holder frame. So let's get started. To make this keychain frame, we are taking a frame 12 inches in length and almost 10.1 inches, 10 inches in width. This is 1.5 inches. The width of this is 1.5 inches. So this is in a rectangular shape right now, and we have 4 holes for the keychain hooks. I prepared these ropes, and these are 80 inches long, 3 rope, 80 inches long. Fold them in half like this, attach the two ends together, and then by finding your middle point, by the help of larks and knot, I'm going to attach it here. So one by one, take your cords, 80 inches long, 3 cord, and by the help of larks and knot, I'm going to attach it. These are total 18 cords. So I have attached all the cords. These are 18 cords. I have attached them by the help of larks and knot. As you can see, keep the distance between these cords properly, and larks knot should be in right symmetry. Now I will make square knots. Eighteen cords will make 9 square knots. We will leave 1, 2, and this third one. Keep it aside, and then 1, 2, and this third one. By using 1, 2, 3 cords here, by using these 3 square knots, we are going to make a V-shaped square knot pattern. So once this V-shape pattern is done, now we will pick 1, 2, 3, third square knot, last rope, and we will Now we will just make few square knots to fill this pattern. So first we have to leave these 2 cords and pick 2 cords from this square knot, 2 from this, and start making a square knot. Then these 2, and you will just go with the flow. Now we'll pick these 2 cords. So once it's done, now we are doing it second time like this and like this. So once it's done like this, now you can turn your work. Bring the cords like this. Now we can paste them by using UHU, and we will cut the rest of the cords. So here you can see I just pasted the cord on the frame, and it's very tightly and securely done. Now I will turn the rack again. Now I will turn the frame again, and by using these hooks, I will fix the hooks in the holes. We just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful keychain frame. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next video, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.